A Ukrainian infantryman is spotted exiting a bunker position during ongoing surveillance operations. A Russian FPV drone is deployed toward the location, maintaining continuous tracking as it approaches the target area. Moments later, the drone impacts near the position, forcing immediate disruption of activity around the bunker and concluding the engagement in that sector. Chasiv Yar, operational situation remains highly active. According to the report, ceasefire violations were recorded, with ongoing shelling of positions and continued drone activity used during the truce period. Units of the 24th Mechanized Brigade and adjacent formations are described as responding to these actions, engaging assault groups, firing positions, and logistical elements during continued combat operations in the area. Weekly reported losses include personnel casualties and destruction of multiple UAVs, artillery systems, mortars, rocket systems, ground robotic platforms, vehicles, and communications equipment. The situation in the Chasiv Yar sector remains contested, with fighting continuing across urban and surrounding areas as both sides maintain active operations. Breaking Frontline report shows assault units of the 98th Airborne Division conducting combat operations on the outskirts of Chasiv Yar during ongoing urban fighting. According to the footage, fiber optic FPV drone teams tracked an American-made Humvee operating near the edge of the settlement. From aerial surveillance, operators maintained continuous visual contact as the vehicle moved through damaged terrain and exposed approach routes. Using fiber optic control for stable precision guidance, FPV drones closed in on the target and carried out strikes during the engagement. Breaking battlefield report shows X-Wingers, drone teams of the 98th Airborne Division conducting FPV strike operations in the Chasiv Yar area during ongoing frontline combat. According to the footage, operators identified a Ukrainian T-64BV positioned near the settlement during active movement and engagement conditions. Reconnaissance drones first established visual contact, tracking the armored vehicle through damaged urban terrain and partially concealed positions. FPV operators then coordinated a guided approach using fiber optic control systems, maintaining stable real-time tracking as the drone closed in on the target. A Russian fiber optic FPV drone tracks a Ukrainian trench position during ongoing operations in the Zaporizhzhia sector. From above, the drone maintains steady surveillance as it approaches the fortified line, where movement and equipment are partially concealed within the trench system. After impact, a fire breaks out inside the position, forcing personnel to react and withdraw under pressure as the area becomes compromised. A damaged building, then movement inside gives away the position. 2 Ukrainian soldiers were reportedly detected hiding inside a structure during aerial surveillance. The operator maintained observation for several moments, carefully tracking activity and recording the coordinates before relaying the position. Soon after, an FPV drone arrived over the location and carried out the strike, ending the operation at the site. Ukrainian border guards freed 3 Ukrainian servicemen from Russian captivity using drones and precision drone drops. The State Border Guard Service shared a corresponding video on Telegram, titled, "Unique Operation. Drone operators free 3 Ukrainian soldiers from captivity." According to the report, reconnaissance drone operators from the border guards spotted a group of Russian soldiers escorting 3 captured Ukrainian servicemen. The footage, whose location and time Kyiv Post could not independently verify, shows 1 Russian soldier leading the column with 3 Ukrainian prisoners, while 2 other Russians walk behind. The Ukrainian soldiers are seen with their hands raised and clasped behind their heads. Open terrain, fast movement suddenly appears. 5 Ukrainian quad bikes are shown moving at high speed across open ground during frontline operations. A Russian FPV drone moves in to intercept the convoy, tracking the vehicles as they advance across exposed terrain. According to the footage, each quad bike carried a driver and 4 passengers. Frontline footage reveals coordinated Russian air and strike operations targeting Ukrainian positions in the Kharkiv and Pokrovsk sectors during ongoing combat activity. According to battlefield reports, precision-guided munitions including the FAB 1500 and KH-38 were employed against identified military positions. The strikes are shown impacting fortified areas and operational sites, followed by secondary detonations consistent with stored equipment or ammunition. A Russian helicopter is shown reaching a reported Ukrainian military deployment area in the city of Pokrovsk during ongoing operational activity. A building reportedly containing around a dozen Ukrainian servicemen was destroyed during ongoing combat operations in the area. Unexpected battlefield footage captures fiber optic drone operators tracking an American-made M113 during frontline operations. The vehicle was detected from above and monitored as operators adjusted the drone's approach using stable fiber optic control. Moments later, the strike hit the armored carrier, leaving it burning on the battlefield as the footage continued recording the aftermath. Breaking battlefield report shows VDV airborne units operating fiber optic FPV drones during active frontline operations, targeting Ukrainian unmanned ground systems in the combat zone. Operators track a Ukrainian ground robotic combat module equipped with an M2 Browning as it moves across exposed terrain. Using stable fiber optic control, the FPV drone maintains continuous visual contact, adjusting its approach in real time before moving in for engagement. One of the most frequent missions now carried out by drone operators is hunting enemy transport before it can reach the front line. Supply trucks, pickups, and light vehicles are increasingly detected while moving or waiting in staging areas, often becoming targets before crews realize they've been spotted. The footage shows how aerial surveillance has turned even rear movement into a high-risk operation, where transport can be tracked and engaged long before reaching its destination. Breaking battlefield report shows intense frontline conditions in Chasiv Yar as paratroopers of the 98th Airborne Division conduct a high-risk evacuation under continuous drone threat. First-person footage captures soldiers moving through damaged urban terrain while recovering a wounded comrade during ongoing combat operations. As the evacuation begins, kamikaze FPV drones appear overhead, forcing the unit to maintain constant movement and immediate defensive awareness while securing the casualty. The team continues to protect the evacuation route under pressure, using coordinated movement and battlefield awareness to prevent further strikes during withdrawal. Forest area. After interception, Russian engineering units are shown responding to a downed UAV that had previously been intercepted by air defense systems and crashed in a wooded area without detonating. Specialists carefully secure the site and carry out controlled procedures to neutralize and destroy the unexploded drone, ensuring the area is safe for further movement and operations. Sudden aerial contact, then a split-second reaction. A group of Ukrainian soldiers is seen rushing into a bunker in an attempt to avoid an incoming drone strike during frontline operations. One soldier remains outside the position and attempts to engage the FPV drone with small arms fire as it approaches at low altitude. Despite his efforts, the drone maintains its course and completes the strike, ending the engagement at the position. Fiber optic FPV drone operators from the KVN unit detect a camouflaged pickup truck in Kramatorsk during ongoing surveillance operations. The vehicle, identified as a Mitsubishi L200 reportedly used by Ukrainian forces, was observed moving within a civilian traffic area in the city center. Using fiber optic control for stable tracking, the drone maintained visual contact in a complex urban environment before carrying out the strike.
Мужики, парковка біля качалки. Тільки що відпрацювала оптика по машині. Тільки що відпрацювала оптика по машині. Ось, бляха, це допомагала оптика. Розфігачила машину нормально. Це труба.
A UAV operator from the 6th Army tracked a pickup truck carrying a serviceman in the cargo bed during ongoing operations. The drone followed the vehicle's route from above, maintaining visual contact as it moved through the area. After tracking the movement, the operator carried out the strike on the moving target.